Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The average cost for windshield wiper blade replacement is between $75 and $82. Labor costs are estimated between $26 and $33, while parts are priced at $49. This range does not include taxes and fees, and does not factor in your specific vehicle or unique location. Related repairs may also be needed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The one-piece construction, which uses double rubber and silicone, keeps the blade away from the windshield, keeping snow and rain away. After all, the beam, the wiper blade, is the most expensive, and for good reason, is one of the more expensive blades on the market.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.